Superintendent in charge of Manchester Division of the Jamaica Fire. At approximately 12:19 p.m., we received a call for structural fire. We responded with 2 units, actually 3 units, and 12 personnel. Upon arrival, we saw a 12-apartment complex fully engulfed in flame. We got into operation, knocked the fire down, brought it under control. During our cooling down operations, we discovered what appeared to be the remains of a human inside the dwelling. At this time, we are still carrying out investigations trying to determine the cause of the fire. We have our fire investigator en route to the scene just now, and at that time we'll be able to fully determine what would have contributed to the cause of this fire.
Are you able to say how many persons of the fire detected?
Based on our information that we have received, we're told that 3 persons occupy the building along with a helper who is here sometime.
Can you say the victim, the male or female?
Male, 74 years old, based on the information received.